We all know that the foldable smartphones are quite expensive, but Nubia has something for half price with 5G. The design is a little bit unusual. We have always on display with a date, battery and time. If you tap it twice, I put a little bit on it. It's fully customizable. Of course, we do have a camera, your favorite song with a cover spinning on it. That is a nice touch. Of course, you can control it if you wanted to. Temperature, all kinds of customizable features, like it will count your 14 millimeters when it's folded and 7 when it's unfolded, and we do have a fantastically looking front screen. On the scale, that will be 213 grams. Man purse, perfect. Woman purse, perfect. You could ask, where did I get that golden purse? Jean-Paul Gaultier. Fingerprint sensors on the side. And you can see it is very, very quick. We also have a 5G. There you go, 5G network is available, and the speeds are quite awesome. Of course, the screen is 120 Hz. If we go to settings, then we could find a display and screen refresh rate. You can put it on 90, 60 on auto if you wanted to. We also have Z Smart Cast, so you can cast to your windows. Of course, there's a vast way of customization. You can switch to the home space, which will look quite unusual. I don't like this look, but it is what it is for everyone. Let me switch it back to the regular one. Let me use this one. Kind of like this one, and there you go. That is quick, and we like that a lot. Do we see a crest in the middle? No. You have to be in a quite huge angle to see it. I don't think anyone is watching a smartphone from such an angle. I mean, under the light it is visible. This is a twice more expensive device, and like you can see, well, there's not too much differences. Different frame, a round frame, but the screen, I think Nubia has an even brighter screen. That is wow. Of course, we do have outer screen customization. You can change all kinds of settings, so many of them. Planet. Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 will give us a power of Galaxy S21. That's 3000, somewhere around this area, you see? Okay, maybe even less, a little bit. S21 Fan Edition. Of course, we do have a game mode with all kinds of features. Oh, so many features. Control and everything. No issues, at least for now. Alright. Winning. That's very cool. And of course, camera. And in the camera, we do have very nice widgets. Instead of icons, you have that graphic. Those are still icons, I guess. Star Trail, slow motion, full size, ID photo, effect, factory, monochrome, all kinds of features. But let's stick to the Pro. And in the Pro, we do have tons of filters, very intense filters. I'm not sure it's the red color on the background will give you justice. Very strong filters. We can shoot in RAW, graph on. Of course, photos, AI, so to recognize the subject, HDR photo, like I said, a lot of filters for the beauty mode. In the front-facing camera, also tracking the face nicely. There is a beauty mode available. We can adjust it. It will smooth the skin. Also filters, many of them, HDR and aspect ratio. And also if we tap that button, we can switch to another screen, and then if we tap the screen, it will take a photo. You can also record like in the old camcorder. See, then you have a zoom rocker and you can zoom on the subject. Of course, we have video stabilization, 4K 30, that's the maximum for the main lens, front-facing cameras, and Full HD 30. There's a night mode and the portrait mode. let me show you some samples for photo and video, and there'll be a link in the description for you to download original samples. Front-facing camera. Is it going to overexpose the sky? It will. If I'm out of the frame, it will. And without the video stabilization, this is what it looks like with wide-angle lens. Is it wide? For this smartphone, it's wide. But you can see it's very shaky. Also, let me stop. Vlogging style, if you want to vlog, but it is shaky. But it has a video stabilization, and you can see a little bit of crop, but now it's way better. This is how it looks like. Vlogging style. Let's continue from the. It is a wide angle lens. All right. Zoom test. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10x. A bit blurry. Going back. Do we have macro? Here goes. Battery life, it will last me the whole day, but I am testing those smartphones very different than casual use, so it's hard to say. Conclusion? Perfect medium range smartphone, 120 Hz, beautiful screen, great audio, decent camera for photos. For the videos, that video stabilization is missing, but you can add the video stabilization in post-production, that would be great. Do remember that the price is half, but you will get more than a half from such a flip device. Well, compared to any other latest flip smartphone. Great for a gift to your girlfriend, to person you love. Link in the description with additional discount code for you. See you next video.